Know that they ride or die.
Alright, so today we're going to show you how to install this rugged kickstand onto our Fiido here. Okay, so it's very simple. So the Fiido has original screw holes right here. And you don't have to do anything to them. You just need to take out the original kickstand, which is kind of this wee bit tiny thing, and we're going to show you how to increase the strength and stability of your modified or upgraded Fiido so that it will not topple over too easily, right? So it's a very simple thing. Okay, so it will come pre-installed like that with this bracket that goes a little bit bent outwards. This is so that it can clear any wiring and any obstruction for the Fiido. And it's got this super thick motorcycle aluminum custard kickstand, side stand here. Okay, it will come with the 2 screws here. Put Loctite on these 2 screws, as we do now. Okay, once you receive it, right, take out the old kickstand. Take out the old kickstand here, and we will replace the screws, the original screws that came with the old kickstand. So Loctite one side, okay, let's bring it down and let's test the strength and durability of this. Okay, so we're gonna, can you tilt it over to me? Tilt it over to me. Yeah. Okay, let it go. There you go. Okay, even with the heavier motor at the back, or with any other batteries or any other electronics, it should be able to take the weight of even a rider sitting on it. So that's the rugged kickstand for the Fiido upgraded model. There you go.
I keep boys by my know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my day we hustle, but the night we know that they ride or die.